Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the craft class. My name is Aarti. I am here again with a wonderful session that is a talking puppet. Yes, today we learn how to make a talking puppet. Very easy, very quick to make. Let's get started. So the material required are pink chart, square sheet. It can be of any color, any paper, that is newspaper, magazine paper, old used sheets, anything you can use for this puppet. Black paper, if you don't have, you can color the black sheet. Red sheet, googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, don't worry, you can use black marker to make the eyes as we have been doing earlier as well. A pair of scissors and one glue stick. Instead of glue stick, if you have glue or any sort of gum, you can use that as well. So let's start making the puppet. Step 1, we are going to take the square sheet and we are going to fold it into half, joining the tip into the tip. Just as the way I am doing it. Yes. Then open it up. You can see this center line. Now we are going to fold both the ends to this center line. Like this. The other side as well in the similar manner. Okay. Now what we need to do is we are going to fold the top portion, joining the tip to tip to a triangular shape like this, and make the crease. After making the crease, you need to open it up. Same step we are going to repeat the next side. That is like this. On the other hand, we are going to make the triangle, make the crease and open it up again. Same step repeated both the ways, opposite side. Like this, triangular shape, tip to tip, making the crease, open up, same step, triangular here, then again making the crease, open it up. After this, you can see these two folded portions. This triangle portion is to be folded inside like this. Okay, like this. We'll repeat the step on all four sides. Yes, and here. Now the corners are being folded inside. Now we are going to push this triangle inside and join the tip like this. I repeat, we will push this inside and join the tip here. And here we'll apply glue. After pressing it, you can get the kneading portion. Go. Same to be repeated here, the next portion. Applying the glue in the same manner, pushing it inside and joining the fold, joining the tip, the two sides. Press it so that it joins fast. Now we are going to fold this like this and just give the impression. The mouth is ready. Now we are going to make the tongue. For the tongue, we take the red sheet, cut it into a triangular edge and a rectangle piece like this. This is what we need to do, and we are going to paste this here. For that, we'll fold the corner like this and apply glue here. right in the center. Now we'll try with this. Now, next step is applying the googly eyes first. If you don't have googly eyes, you can just make the eyes with the help of marker. Anything available you can use. Don't go out in fetching just for the material. Yes, it is getting ready. Now we need the eyelashes here with the help of black sheet. If you don't have black sheet, you can color the white sheet and then cut it into the eyebrows or eyelashes. Now see, I have cut into two rectangle pieces first. We are going to cut the eyelashes. Be careful, children, when you are using scissors. Ask the help of your elders. See, I am not touching the edge. I am leaving the portion to join this portion. Okay. Now for the next eyelash, same way we are going to cut half the way, not till the end. Okay. Now folding the corner, just as the way I am doing, we are going to apply glue here. This is the portion where it is going to be attached with the puppet, like this, and reversing it. Yes, our puppet is getting ready. Similarly, the next eyelash as well. There it is. It's all done. Our puppet is ready. Stay safe. Happy learning.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.